Fire conditions were high today across the state with red flag warnings out all over the state due to high winds and low relative humidity. And around 65 firefighters from the DNR, U.S. Forestry, from the Chippewa National Forest, and Bemidji Fire Department were called to the scene of a fire just east of Bemidji early this afternoon. Crews battled the fire, a wildfire near Frohn Town Hall. I was at the scene tonight, and David Hofer from the DNR told me the fire burned 35 acres but was fully contained at around 8 tonight. He says this was the biggest of several wildfires in the Bemidji area today. Some firefighters will remain on the scene to keep an eye on the situation for the next couple of days.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.